In the bustling world of health and wellness, where ancient remedies meet modern science, there's one extraordinary bulb that has captured the attention of seekers of natural solutions: garlic. Yes, that same pungent, flavorful ingredient we love in our favorite dishes has been celebrated for its astonishing healing properties for thousands of years. For men grappling with erectile dysfunction, garlic might just be the answer they've been seeking. Now, let's get started. Here are some health benefits of using garlic as a treatment for erectile dysfunction. Number 1. Garlic is a well-known vegetable with a strong smell and flavor. It has been used in traditional cooking and herbal medicine for centuries. This suggests that it has a long history of being considered beneficial for health. Number 2. It can treat erectile dysfunction in men and improve the health of the reproductive system in women. Number 3. Erectile dysfunction is a common problem in men, worsens with age, and can be caused by various factors like surgery, high blood pressure, or medication. For men suffering from erectile dysfunction, garlic can be beneficial due to its ability to increase blood flow. Erectile dysfunction is often caused by reduced blood flow to the penis, making it difficult to achieve and maintain an erection. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that helps to expand blood vessels. By doing so, it improves blood circulation, including blood flow to the genital area, which can aid in achieving and sustaining erections. Number 4. Ancient cultures like Babylonians, Greeks, Romans, Chinese, and Egyptians used garlic as a natural medicine due to its allicin content. The use of garlic as a natural medicine by various ancient cultures indicates its long-standing reputation for health benefits. These cultures recognize the healing properties of garlic, particularly attributed to its allicin content. Garlic contains essential micronutrients like manganese, vitamins B1, B6, and C, selenium, fiber, calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, and iron, which are beneficial for overall health, including sexual activity. Number 5. A recipe is provided for using garlic and honey to naturally cure erectile dysfunction and improve overall health. Garlic capsules can also be used to avoid the bad breath caused by consuming large amounts of garlic. Number 6. Garlic helps lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and further enhancing blood flow to sexual areas. In conclusion, taking raw garlic can lead to a range of fascinating and beneficial effects on our bodies. From its potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties to its ability to reduce inflammation, act as an antioxidant, and lower bad cholesterol levels, garlic proves itself as a true health powerhouse. When consumed in the right way, whether by swallowing a whole clove on an empty stomach or consuming mashed or chewed garlic, we can unlock its maximum nutritional value and reap its numerous health benefits. However, it's important to remember that while garlic can offer support for overall health and well-being, it is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have specific health concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. So, embrace the wonders of raw garlic, experiment with its flavors, and discover how this humble ingredient can transform your journey towards a healthier life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on erectile dysfunction. Also, don't forget to check out our videos on simple, easy exercises that drastically increase stamina and heal erectile dysfunction from the privacy of your own home by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.